Hey all for beauties, Maya Galore here. I'm a beauty influencer and content creator. And today we are going to be just doing a chill get ready with me using the new Ofra by Samantha March collection. I know y'all see this palette. It is gorgeous. It has lots of pinks, lots of purples, which is right up my alley. This collection includes the Life's the Draft mini mix palette, which includes 8 different eyeshadows, 2 highlighters, and a bronzer shade. And this palette is extremely versatile, so you can use these shades for multiple things. The collection also comes with the #SamSquad lip gloss trio. We're gonna be using this collection to create this look today, as well as using some of our other Ofra faves as well. So don't forget to hit subscribe on the Ofra YouTube channel, and let's hop right into this tutorial. So my brows are already done and my eyes are already primed. We are going to start off with the Ofra by Samantha March Life's a Draft mini mix palette. I'm really into the idea of a spotlight eye today, so I think that's what we're gonna do. The first shade that I'm gonna take is Ram here at the top, and I'm gonna use this for the outside of our spotlight eye. So I'm stamping this shade in the outer corner as well as the inner corner of the eye, and then I'm gonna go in circular motions to kind of blend the edges out of that color. The beautiful pink and purples and mauves in this palette make me want to do the spotlight eye, and I think it's gonna be gorgeous. So that I don't continue to add more purple than I want to, I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm just going to start to blend around that shade so that we get a nice seamless shade into the skin. For the middle of the spotlight eye, I'm gonna go into Maya, which is my name, so I'm in love with that. And I'm gonna sweep the shade right in the middle of the lid. That is such a beautiful color. So once I get towards the top, I'm kind of lightly sweeping it so that it kind of can taper out as it goes upwards. And in a moment here, we are gonna get another color to kind of blend these two together. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Ink right here, and I'm gonna use this as a transition shade between those two shades. So I am pressing this right in between on both sides. Lastly, I'm gonna take the highlighter Dream Chaser here at the bottom and use that to further emphasize our spotlight. I feel like this added color or this added highlight just kind of makes the look pop. Next, I'm gonna take my Ofra Verified Black Liner, and we are gonna wing this out today. I feel like the spotlight eye is so soft that this wing will really just spice it up a little bit. I popped on some lashes, and those are our eyes. For the skin today, I'm gonna start off with my Rays of Light primer, which will give us a beautiful illumination underneath our foundation today. Next, I'm going into my Absolute Cover foundation, and this is in the shade number 8, which is my perfect shade. And I'm gonna tap the shade all over and then blend it out with my Ofra sponge. And I'm going for a slight bit of lighter coverage today, so I'm not gonna put on too much. So I went ahead and added a little bit of concealer off camera, but now I'm gonna go into this blush from the Ride or Die collection, and this is in the shade Truly. And what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of this on the back of my hand and then take a blush brush and start to work this onto my cheeks. I felt like this color was really going to complement the mauves and the purples and the Samantha March by Ofra palette, and I just wanted to bring a little bit of color to the cheeks for this look. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer, and this is the Squad Blush and Bronzer Duo Compact, and I'm really just going into the bronzer color. It is nice and deep and perfect for the summer coming up. To finish off the under eye, I'm just gonna go into Ram, which is the same color I used as the perimeter of our spotlight. And I'm going to go ahead and sweep this on the bottom lash line. Then I'm dipping back into the shade Maya, and I'm gonna put that on the bottom lash line towards the inner part, kind of just to bring the vibes from the top to the bottom. I'm also using Maya as an inner corner highlight as well. So now we are gonna finish up highlighting the face with this Samantha March palette. I'm gonna be using the highlighter 6 here down at the bottom, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my nose, my Cupid's bow, as well as the tops of my cheeks. And I am just absolutely in love with the more muted mauve tone that this is. It's so pretty. And I feel like it goes perfectly with the blush that we chose today. The Samantha March collection does come with 3 lip glosses, and we are going to be dipping into these today. We have the lip gloss in Queen, which is more of a gold tone. We have the lip gloss, which is in Millie, which is more of an iridescent type of silver gloss. Then we have the shade Peony, which is more of a pink tone gloss. And I think that this is the one that we are gonna go into today. And this gloss is super hydrating, and I love that it gives off more of a clear gloss vibe, but it also still has a tint of that pinky mauvey color. So I think that goes perfectly with the look today. We're going to finish off the face with the mattifying makeup fixer, and we're gonna press that in with our sponge, and we are done with this look. All right, Ofra Beauty, so that wraps it up for today's look. Thank you for hanging out with me and getting ready with me using the new Samantha March by Ofra collection. I love this collection, and if anybody knows me, y'all know I love me some pink and some purple, so it's right up my alley, and I know you guys will love it as well. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.